This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making 2 quick checks: physical connections and driver state. Open Settings with Win+I, go to System right arrow display and choose the native resolution, for example 1920 x 1080, and 100% scale, so UI elements match. Next, update the GPU driver from Device Manager or the vendor's installer. Drivers control how Windows talks to the monitor, so outdated drivers often cause wrong resolutions. Once done, reboot. This ensures the new driver. You now work through more precise controls. Open Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD control panels and create a custom resolution or adjust refresh rate. Some panels enforce safe ranges. If the problem appeared after an update, roll back the driver in Device Manager. This restores a known good configuration. When settings resist change, boot into safe mode, uninstall the display adapter, and then reinstall the vendor driver. Safe mode prevents third-party overlays from interfering, so the clean driver can apply correctly. You finish by applying and validating changes. Test desktop scaling, open apps, and run a full-screen video or game to confirm no stretching or blurriness. If an odd aspect ratio persists, swap the cable or try a different monitor to see if the issue is hardware-related. Finally, if nothing fixes it, use safe mode to reinstall the display driver or roll back via System Restore. This single troubleshooting tip often recovers a working configuration when settings and drivers conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.